Good morning, students. Today we learn in history subject chapter 4. We have already started this chapter. Name of the chapter is Tribals, Decus and the Vision of a Golden Age. In this chapter, we have learned the lives of Adivasi people, tribal people. Now today we learn how did colonial rules affect tribal lives. Children, you know colonial rule means the British rule. The lives of tribal groups changed during the British rule. Now we have to see what are the different changes during the British rule. In the tribal lifestyles, they have main chief, जो मुखिया कहते हैं, tribal chief. What is the name? Tribal chiefs. Now, when the British rule come in the tribal areas, what happened to the tribal chiefs? Before arrival of the British, in many areas the tribal chiefs were important people. British rule लागू नहीं हुआ था उसके पहले in the forested area where the tribal people live, they are the tribal chiefs is the main people, जो हम मुखिया कहते हैं. आदिवासी पीपल के अंदर जो ट्राइबल चीफ होता है वो मेन पर्सन होता है, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल होता है. पर जब ब्रिटिश नहीं आए थे, बिफोर द अराइवल ऑफ द ब्रिटिश, दे एंजॉयड अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक पावर. उनके पास एक पावर होता है. and they enjoyed a certain amount of economic power and had the right to administer and control their territories. और उनका जो इलाका होता है, जितना उनका एरिया होता है ट्राइबल एरिया, वहाँ वो पूरा कंट्रोल होता है ट्राइबल चिफ्स का. In some places they had their own police and decided on the local rules of land and forested management. Under the British rule, the functions and power of the tribal chiefs changed considerably. But after coming the British rule, under the British rule, the control and power of tribal chiefs changed considerably. बहुत असर हुआ. They were allowed to keep their land titles over a cluster of villages and rent out lands. But they lost much of their administrative power and were forced to follow laws made by British officials in India. After coming the British rule, tribal chiefs have to follow the rules of British people and they have to follow the laws. जो कायदा कानून होता है ब्रिटिश का वो फॉलो करना है उनको. They also had to pay tribute to the British. और उनको ट्रिब्यूट कहते हैं, गिफ्ट, ट्रिब्यूट, टैक्सेस वगैरह उनको ब्रिटिश को पे करना है. And discipline the tribal groups on behalf of the British. They lost the authority they had earlier enjoyed amongst their people and were unable to fulfill their traditional functions. What happened to the shifting cultivators? Now under the British rule, जो tribal people shifting cultivators थे, what happened? The British were uncomfortable with groups who moved about and did not have a fixed home. Shifting cultivators are those people who do the jhum cultivation practicing in the forest area. But the British were very, very unhappy about these cultivators. They wanted tribal people tribal groups to settle down. They wanted, means British wanted tribal people to settle down. नोमैडिक लाइफ ब्रिटिश नहीं चाहते थे, वो चाहते थे कि ट्राइबल पीपल्स हैव टू सेटल डाउन एट वन प्लेस एंड बिकम पीजन कल्टिवेटर्स. नाउ not shifting cultivators, now they become peasant cultivators. Settled peasants were easier to control and administer than people who were always on the move. हम सब जानते हैं जो फार्मर्स होते हैं, सेटल हुए हुए वन प्लेस पे होते हैं, उनका खुद का लैंड होता है. दोज पीपल आर वेरी मच मोर, दे हैव मोर कंट्रोल ओवर द लैंड देन द दोज पीपल हु मूव, जो ट्राइबल पीपल होते हैं. द ब्रिटिश ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड अ रेगुलर रेवेन्यू सोर्स फॉर द स्टेट, सो दे इंट्रोड्यूस लैंड सेटलमेंट्स, दैट इज दे मेजर्ड द लैंड, define the rights of each individual to that land, and fix the revenue demand for the state. Some peasants were declared. ब्रिटिश ने क्या करा, पीजेंट्स को एक पावर दिया, एक हक दिया, उन्होंने डिक्लेयर करा. सम peasants were declared land owners, others are tenants. The tenants, what the meaning of the tenants? Tenants were to pay rent to the landowner. Tenants were to pay the rent to the landowners, who in turn paid revenue to the state. A landowner in return had to pay the revenue to the state. In this way, the peasants, British have declared some peasants land owners and tenants. In short, the British want the revenue for the state. The British effort to settle zoom cultivators was not very successful. Settled plough cultivation is not easy in areas where water is scarce. Now, in forested area, water is scarce. We know कि water वहाँ पर कमी होती है, and the soil is also very dry. In fact, zoom cultivators who took to plough cultivation often suffered, since their fields did not produce good yields. So the zoom cultivators in northeast India insisted on continuing with their traditional practice. Facing widespread protest, the British had to ultimately allow them the right to carry on shifting cultivation in some parts of the forest. In some area, northeast area, there British allow these people, cultivators, to practice the same traditional practice, means zoom cultivation, because in that area the water is very scarce, soil is not very dry, soil is dry, and they produce good yield is not possible in that area. So the British had allow them to continue the same practice, shifting cultivation in the parts of the forest. Now here is the picture at the page number 44. These women are tribal women, Bhil women cultivating in a forest in Gujarat. In Gujarat, one community, namely Bhil, 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 and they are cultivating in a forest in Gujarat. Shifting cultivation. Here is one more figure. Tribal workers in a rice field. Here is, you see the water very much water required for rice cultivation. पेड़ी कहते हैं हम इन द साउथ. Tribal workers in a rice field in Andhra Pradesh. Now you have to see in the both picture the difference is, here is the rice cultivation and here is the forest areas of Gujarat. Trees have been cut and land cleared to create patches for cultivation. Now these women are doing the forest clearing, reforestation. Why? To cultivate the land in this area cleared, and after that they sow the seeds. And here is rice cultivation. Both are the different place. Here is in Andhra Pradesh and this picture is in Gujarat. Now next, forest laws, LAWS laws and their impact. इम्पैक्ट मीन्स असर. जो कायदे कानून रूल्स रेगुलेशन फॉरेस्ट में होते हैं और उसकी क्या असर होती है. द लाइफ ऑफ ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स, एज यू हैव सीन, वॉज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द फॉरेस्ट. जो ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स कम्युनिटी होती है उनकी जो लाइफ स्टाइल होती है, बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन द फॉरेस्ट, दैट्स वाई दे डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद द फॉरेस्ट. So changes in forest laws had a considerable effect on tribal lives. The British extended their control over all forests and declared that forests were state property. British declared that the forests were state property. जो फॉरेस्ट है वो स्टेट की प्रॉपर्टी है. Some forests were classified as reserved forest. Some forests are classified as reserve forest. For they produced timber which the British wanted. Here British wanted to produce the timber. In these forests, people were not allowed to move freely because these area British declared the reserved forest, and here the tribal people are not allowed to move the freely. Practice zoom cultivation, collect fruits or hunt animals. How were zoom cultivators to survive in such a situation? Now there is one question arise that in this situation British mentioned some laws and they tribal people not allowed to move freely. So in this situation, how the tribal people, zoom cultivators, to survive? Many were therefore forced to move to other areas in search of work and livelihood. Now what happened? What scenario come? कि many of the tribal people were forced to move to the another area in search of work and livelihood. But once the British stopped the tribal people from living inside forest, they faced a problem. Now जो थोड़े ट्राइबल पीपल थे मूव हो गए इन सर्च ऑफ वर्क और उनके लाइवलीहुड के लिए, बट दोज ट्राइबल पीपल लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट एरिया. नाउ दे फेस्ड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. ब्रिटिश स्टॉप द ट्राइबल पीपल फ्रॉम लिविंग इनसाइड द फॉरेस्ट। अभी ब्रिटिश जो ये एरिया को स्टेट प्रॉपर्टी कहने लगे फॉरेस्ट, तो उन्होंने बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ गए ट्राइबल पीपल के लिए रहने के लिए, बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन द forest. From where would the forest department get its labor to cut trees for railway sleepers and to transport logs? Sleeper means the horizontal planks of wood on which railway lines are laid. भी एक ही क्वेश्चन आता था, वन क्वेश्चन अराइज होता था ट्राइबल पीपल के लिए कि जब भी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को फॉरेस्ट में से ट्रीज को कट करने, तो कट करने के लिए लेबर कहाँ से लाएंगे, फिर रेलवे स्लीपर्स के लिए जो उनकी पटरी होती थी उनके लिए जो लॉग ऑफ वुड्स होते थे, ट्रांसपोर्ट लॉग्स होते थे, वो सब के लिए लेबर पर्सन तो फॉरेस्ट में से ही मिलेंगे। नाउ कॉलोनियल ऑफिशियल्स, जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स से कैम अप विथ अ सॉल्यूशन, उन्होंने एक सॉल्यूशन लाया। दे डिसाइडेड दैट दे वुड गिव जूम कल्टिवेटर्स स्मॉल पैचेस ऑफ लैंड इन द फॉरेस्ट। ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स ने वन सॉल्यूशन, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन रहता है तो उन्होंने ट्राइबल पीपल के लिए सॉल्यूशन लाया। जूम कल्टिवेटर्स, नाउ यू डोंट वांट टू मूव, you have the small patches of land in the forest only, and allow them to cultivate these on the condition that those who lived in the villages would have to provide labor to the forest department and look after the forest. जो भी विलेज में रहते हैं उनको लुक आफ्टर करना है फॉरेस्ट में, और फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को लेबर देनी है। सो इन मैनी रीजन्स द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट established forest villages to ensure a regular supply of cheap labor. Many tribal groups reacted against the colonial forest laws. Now this is very much against and reacted against the colonial forest law. They disobeyed the new rules. Tribal people disobeyed, नहीं मानते थे the new rules, continued with practices that were declared illegal and at times rose in open rebellion. Such was the revolt of Songram Sangam in 1906 in Assam. Songram Sangam in 1906 in Assam, and the forest satyagraha of the 1930s in the central provinces. Thank you very much.